Let's jump right into this explainer and conquer Domain 3 of the GH-600 exam together.
This section is 15% of your test. It's what separates true agents from basic assistants.
Right. Unlike stateless tools that forget, real stateful agents actually keep their goals and historical memory. GitHub uses Copilot Memory to store code details, which seriously reduces how much you have to prompt.
For the test, absolutely memorize the split here between repository-level facts and user-level preferences.
Here's the kicker. Repository facts are only created when users with write access take an action.
So how does Copilot stop old, useless information from just sitting around forever?
Memorize this exam trivia. Unused facts and preferences automatically expire after exactly 28 days.
But get this, that 28-day timer completely resets whenever Copilot successfully validates and uses that memory.
You've got to watch out for context drift. That's when an agent acts on stale, outdated assumptions.
Copilot fixes this by validating its stored citations against the current branch right before doing anything.
Next, exam trap. How do these agents survive interruptions or workflow cancellations without repeating their work?
They read durable execution artifacts, like state files, at the start of runs to skip finished steps.
To stop conflicts, you must maintain a single canonical state artifact using serialized writes.
This creates awesome cross-feature reuse, where facts grabbed during code review directly fuel the cloud agent.
You're ready to crush Domain 3. But ask yourself, are those durable artifacts actually secure for production?